Hey, it's Uncle Steve of Uncle Steve Shake. Man, there's nothing I like better than some good breaded wings. Stay tuned. Watch my good friend Papa Texas make some with my almost world famous Gator Shake, Papa Texas style.
Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and this is another Papa's Kitchen. That's right, a big W made me that. What do we got today? I saw Lewis at R Shack Barbecue, which I'll leave his link in the description below. You can go check out his cooking. And he made breaded wings, and I said, I'm gonna copy that. All right, let's open up the traveling spice box and see what the cook is today. Okay, today we're gonna make some breaded wings. So how do we do breaded wings, Papa? Well, we're gonna put some cornstarch. All right, this one here's some Gator Shake. We're gonna sprinkle that on there. I will show you how this is done. And we add that little special ingredients that Booger told me to use. What else we got? Oh, we're gonna do some grilling beans, bourbon and brown sugar. I might even make some corn muffins to go with this. All that's gonna be cooked up in the Weber kettle. All right, to start off, we're gonna put the cornstarch and a little bit of flour. Booger told me to use some flour. We put it in here, and then we'll bring out the wings. I don't think y'all have seen the wings yet. We're gonna bread them up, get them on the grill. All right, I got those mixed in there together. Now, what you do, this is what Lewis said, you put your seasoning in there. Don't overdo it, but get you some. All right, stuff like that. You can't go wrong putting too much in there of Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake. See the pretty little flapper? Flap, 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 flap. All right, we're gonna stick them in here. Get her coated up. Look at that breading. This is gonna be awesome. Watch what I'm gonna bread these up. This was a awesome, fun experience that I'm gonna have to include my granddaughters on, because I'm not even zipping it up, man. I'm just moving that sucker around like that. That's why I'm not allowed to cook inside. Yeah. Get that sucker all over that. And there we go. Yeah. All right, so let's bring you over here. Check it out. Those look awesome, Papa. All right, look at my hand. Yeah, that was great. Awesomeness. All right, so now we're just gonna shake the Uncle Steve's on it. Actually, it wants to fall off of it. We'll put some more on when we get on the grill. Don't want to miss you, buddy. Let's go to the grill. All right, let's get them on there and let's see how much more room I got. I've never offset cooked breaded wings before. I'm going to go get some more seasonings. I had a couple other items to put on here. I'm going to add more charcoal. Look at that. Yeah. All right, we got a little door over here. I can lift this up, put more charcoal in there. All right, see you in a couple hours. We may have to move over to the other side and let them sizzle. I don't know. I'm not too sure about all this. I'm going to put some avocado oil over the top of them. We'll see what happens. That was just a guess. All right, I'm gonna give you a little update here. Yeah, don't look at the corn in the middle, or ignore it. So what I've done is, they're not working like I thought they would. So every once in a while, I'm rotating these around and getting a few over the fire. And we're gonna work this through and we'll see what's going on. That was a Papa Texas update. All right, let's take a gander. Oh, don't look at the cornbread or the beans. Don't pay attention to those. We're looking at the chicken. It's actually come along pretty good. This time the rotation around is gonna stay upwards. They're looking good. They're looking really good. You gotta love cooking other stuff in here, you know? I mean, I had space. Yeah, it's Papa. I think they're looking really good. All right, so here's where we're at. I mean, that way. Look at that. It really looks good. Awesomeness. We've been twirling and twirling and twirling. Oh, the cornbread's starting to happen. And we just merry-go-round it. Offset cooking merry-go-round. That's what it's called. Yeah. It's looking good. Looking good. Yeah. All right, we're all done. Let's do a taste test. Yeah. The final results. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I pulled the fall apart. The camera's on. Both them good. Let's go with this. All right. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. Will you just look at that wing? Breaded. Awesome. The offset cooking took a while, but that's okay. All right. Hot. Hot. Oh! That was really good. You gotta try this. Oh yeah, the gator shake's in there. But you know what? I'm impressed. The rats will get that. All right. That's an A+ from Papa. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Yeah. Oh, hit that bell. Get notified.